Hey everybody, just enjoying the weather in Del Rio, Texas, seeing family up here. I just wanted to make a quick video on how to set financial goals if you might have any. Some of you guys might have did New Year's resolutions. So financial goals, whether it's to get rid of debt, whether it's to invest more money, whether it is to buy a certain item or car or something, I would recommend writing down on paper exactly what your goal is instead of just thinking about what you want your goal to be. Studies have shown if you actually write it down on a piece of paper, it's much more likely to actually happen. It should be a timely, specific, SMART goal. You might have heard that. So it's specific, measurable, attainable. It means reasonable to get, and timely. So let's say you have $2,000 in credit card debt. A SMART goal might say, I'm going to get rid of the $2,000 of debt by, say, April of this year by putting $500 a month into the funds, into the credit cards until it's paid off. Okay, don't just say I want to get rid of credit card debt because that's not specific enough. It's not necessarily timely. Make a due date on it that's reasonable. Okay, then next on your budget, and again, I'd recommend writing it down on a piece of paper, but you could also just post it on a Google Sheet or some sort of electronic documentation of it. Actually put in your budget the amount of money that you actually need to do in order for the goal to happen, and that should be the very first thing that you do once you get your paycheck. Okay, got to be serious about it and not think, oh, I got to pay all this stuff, all these bills and whatnot first before I can pay the rest. So make sure that you actually are taking priority in that goal to make it work. All right, guys, so that's about it. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll talk to you guys next time. We got tennis practice coming soon, so I'll be a little bit busy.